Hi guys, today we're going to talk about these Janomas. This is for Janoma 10,000, for Janoma Memory Card 9,700, and Kenmore Ergo 3. I talk about that because I have with me and I tried already, so I want to teach you something. I hope good for you. God, before we start, thanks God for let all of us enjoy the beautiful embroidery and sew in these machines. It's a good hobby. Bless us and give us understanding. Okay, guys, this is the bus I get because I don't have the bus for the machine. So I know this is the, if I am okay, I think it's 2000. This is not the bus 10,000, but this is the Noma 10,000. So I didn't find 10,000, so I used this one because that buses actually work the same for the machines I told you. Use for that the make sure is off the machine. This is the cable they talk about. The cable is the RS232C cable. Okay. You want to find the manual for all these memories crap you can find for free in Janoma and the website. Okay, this is the cable I talk about, coming like that. This is for the power. This is for the power here. Is this one go here. We have this skinny one is for the 232C, go here, and this is going in the machine. And this part, you see the shape here is flat. That flat part go in the back because you don't want to make a lot of be strong to do this. It's just gently with this part flap in your finger here, and you checking what is there. Okay, now I doing because it's off, it's not a problem to take off, even when it's power. When power is green, there are no problem for take off my memory card, okay? It's not a problem. The problem is it is in here, busy, is red, and you take off your memory card, you're going to damage. So in this case, or when the power line is green, there are no problem for you to take your card. Just pull there and like that and push. Is set. Okay. Now turn on the machine. I already had this for embroider. I wanted you to check in this part is about the template. This is the design. There are many designs. You can use all after 100 because these cards not read less than 100. If you want to check in this, for example, this memory card 3 we're going to see number 3. It is working. So I use, since the power is just the power, I can take all my card and I'm going to put this number 3. Number 3, because it's just a single number, it's not read. I go like that. Always the skin part here go upside. Like that. Step. Now, in the machine, we're going to embroider. And you see the bats there. This is why I touch. The card cannot be used, okay? That's all. Not like you're going to damage your machine or something. It's okay. Since it's not busy here, I can edit. Now I'm going to put the one with 3 digits, like a 114, 115, 116, wherever it is, like that. It's there. And now we're going to check in. The card is the one like a pink one, and all is there. That means when you had this memory card 9,700, Janoma 10,000, and Ergo 3. Don't waste time to buy the single numbers for the memory cards. Now in this part, I didn't find templates for this one. So I realized, I said, but doesn't matter because this can give me the position of the design, yes? So I want to use the small hoop is the A, because I already made these flowers here and I want to position my memory design here, but I want touch like I do in this side. But say you don't have template, the templates for the card, so how would you do that? How you position the design? Just you come and you choose what you want. Just I made an example with this memory card, but you can use another. Just I come here and I want that angel is to something the same like the other, and it's I design to, this is the one, number 7. The number is there, number 7. Okay, so I go number 7. And that gives me, you need to make sure is the hook, what hook you had. If you had the hook B, you can use B, but in my case, I'm going to use this. The thing is, you are there. You're going to edit. And you see where is the center. Is the red mark, the center. The center here is the red. The center in your template for the hook is this one. You always put this with the letters. You can read the letters and the hole over here. This is the part going hooked in the machine. So you can put this here. And this number on the squares is the same like in the screen. Now, if you see that go for number B, I don't know why, but use. I bring my and I push and make sure use the hook you want. Is there. For the center to button, if we account is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. The center here is like this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. The same in horizontal, you can account and it's the same numbers. So it's easy for us to position where we want without cloth setter or without the templates for the memory cards. You just use your template for the hook, okay? So you come in with the angel, I want in the side, and I want to touch this flower, and this flower is, for example, we go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You account how is. If you want the hand for the angel, the hand in here, you just account where it is. That means you want position the hand over here. That means it's 2.5 and 2.5. 2.5 and 2.5. Almost 3. This little is exactly, this part is exactly the same there. You see? It's how you position your memory cards. Use the template for the hook. This is, guys, how I wanted to explain today, because don't be worried if you don't have the templates for all your memory cards. You can use the memory cards for the other machines. And also, the good news, you can use these other bats, no need to be the 10,000. You can use the one, I think this is 2,000. Okay, that's it all, guys. I hope you like the video and enjoy. God bless you, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.